in different towns in the Republic of Kenya is because they are leaders who have been in government, in handshake government, and they destroyed the economy of the Republic of Kenya. Through NDP oils, leaders who constructed policies which they ended up buying companies like Bidco and Menegai. And because the government of William Samoei Ruto has come up with the policy of ensuring the prices of edible oils have gone down, that is why we have Maandamano and demonstrations in our towns today. It's not because of democracy. It's not because of human rights. It's not because of high cost of living. It is because they are businessmen who have been in government, in senior positions, in last government, and now their business are not doing good as they used to do. Number two, we know those who are in government, they controlled banks. They had policies which they had a lot of interest in banks. Wakaenda kwa mambangi, hizo mbengi ndizo zilikuwa zinakopesha serikali pesa at very huge interest. Domestic borrowing, which was done by the previous government, mostly was from banks of individuals who were senior in the government. And today, the president is not doing that. He's lowering the domestic debt as well as international debt. And that's why those people are sponsoring demonstrations in different towns of the Republic of Kenya. Na tunajua pia maziwa ya nchi ya Kenya. Those who are in government today, the president